Local news for Monday the 27th of February. In response to rising burglary incidents over the last 6 months, Wairarapa Police had created a burglary task force to deal directly with local suspects and target known locations. The task force, named Operation Gardener, directly targeted known burglars and dishonesty offenders, as well as the illicit use of methamphetamine. Over the last 2 weeks, there have been 23 arrests directly linked to the operation, with the Area Commander for Wairarapa, Inspector Donna Howard, saying she's extremely pleased with the results. A new national report on water quality reinforces the need for regional councils to work with communities on managing freshwater, with Chris Laidlaw, Greater Wellington Regional Chair, saying our whole approach to improving water quality in this region has been built around community aspirations and the methods and rules that are being developed and designed to deliver real impacts on water quality, availability and use. Councillor Laidlaw says we're currently working with communities in Wairarapa to make informed decisions about managing land and fresh water for future generations. And in sport, Lansdowne have produced a winning draw in the cricket from the weekend, scoring 262 for the loss of 7 in 55 overs, while Greytown scored 185 for 6 off 44. For Wairarapa TV, local news and sport, I'm Brent Gear.